Bangladesh International Fashion Business Council. We are a global platform dedicated to connecting fashion and textile industry globally. I would like to ask you a few questions like, sir, what are the challenges you go through in your business currently?
Well, see, we are a Grasim Industries VFI business, and this value chain from yarn fiber till fabric and going forward up to the garment stage and is quite long, and the industry is quite fragmented. So it's always a challenge that how to create the visibility of our product to the end consumer. And this was phenomena, which is a kind of sustainable product and fetch premium or other filament yarns available in the market. So the product when it is converted into fabric and garments, the feel, fall, drape is far superior than other yarns. But the consumer should also know that this is made of viscose filament and that also produced by the classic. So we are working on a kind of integrated branding for the value chain so that the consumer start understanding kind of raw material, the yarn which has been used in the garment and then recognize it this is more environment friendly and sustainable.
So how are you incorporating sustainability in your brand?
Yes. So as I mentioned that this is now a focus area for us. So when we talk about the sustainability, because there are three, four areas in that. One, that the raw material which we are procuring, which is primarily the wood pulp. So wood pulp we source through the sustainable forestry enabled forestry. So all and for that there is the FSC certification. So all our pulp sourcing is FSC certified, which means this is sustainable forestry where whatever we source more than 10 times we are again doing the forestry. So that is on the raw material side. Then we come to the process part within the plant. So viscose plant we use some chemical. So for that we have certain global certification like ZSC, UBAT, which are the employment which are like compliances for the environment requirements. So we follow all those requirements of the global standard which are there to produce the sustainable production. And then our efforts are always continuous to reduce the whatever water consumption or the energy consumption so that the carbon footprint be producing on the continuous basis. And the third part is the product. When we are selling the product which is going into the market, that should also be sustainable. So viscose filament yarn or any viscose fiber, they are all biodegradable. So then for that also we are having a sort of certification and giving that to the brand that we can promote it as sustainable.
Lastly, I would like to ask you that how are you planning to invest and expand your business
Yeah.
globally?
So, as I mentioned, the preference for the natural products and nature-based products is growing. And viscose filament can also is a category or the product category which is continuously growing in the double digit, especially because there is a growth for the ethnic wear segment and preference of the customers, consumers for these kind of products which not only have a special and better superior bead, drape, etc. but also because it's sustainable. So there is a growth happening, and we also have plans to increase our capacity going forward so that we can meet this growth which is happening in the Indian market.
We're having, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.